Dear birds, there's magic and mystery underneath those wings, a frequency of harmony as the flock whistles and sings, singing the right song, bringing it into the soul, giving back the energy someone else stole. You show the glow you want me to know. I know you know I'm in your flow. Singing to my soul, free in my mind. Oh, the energy is so pure, a higher dimensional kind. High vibing, feeling it now, in every way, in every sound. High vibing, I come alive in your song. I will revive. Oh, you fly in and land with your magical essence. Your song gives me energy of angelic presence. You show the glow you want me to know. I know you know I'm in your flow. Watching from the tree, hidden close so I can see. Always hanging around, keeping with my energy. Your colors are hidden in sacred geometry. Feathers of frequency codes activating destiny. You sing me back to life again, helping the broken pieces mend. In your song I feel the divine. Every note helping me realign. You are sacred, you are wise. You're an angel in disguise, like an antenna, feathers crown, bringing peaceful energy to everything around. Flying in the sky so wide, feeling your energy inside. No more acting, no more show. I know you know. We remember so. Show the glow you want me to know. I'm getting in the flow, steady and slow. My soul will grow. Dear birds, I know you know.